how the hell it is going on? This is dangerous. I think this is Indian version of 5 minutes crafts. Hi, today this video I didn't expect to make. What happened yesterday, I made this Kareena Kapoor's face mask video, and one of you commented there. She mentioned a channel's name and she said, okay, this channel is promoting one chemical pill. So she wanted me to look into the chemical pill, like the ingredients and all. It has more than 2 million subscribers, and I cannot take the channel's name because they can copy strike me, and I wanted to use their clips as well, but I went to their page and in the description they wrote no one can use their clips without their permission. So if you want to know the channel's name, I can give you one clue that you can go to my last video, which is like Kareena Kapoor's face mask wala video, and there is this comment about chemical pill and she mentioned the name there. So if you're interested, anyway, and I'm basically scared because I'm a very small YouTuber, you know, my channel is very new, so, but I really had to talk about this. So to research about the chemical pill, I went to her channel. There I saw this, how to lighten your private parts. She made this video I think 2 weeks back and it got quite a views, 300k or something. I don't see any wrong in talking about our intimate parts, but what she is promoting, like lighten the intimate parts, and the ingredients she's using lemon essential oils. It really scared me because I've seen this video has more than 4k likes. So people are gonna do this and they're gonna damage their private parts, because our private parts, it is very sensitive, extremely sensitive, and lemon has this pH of 2. You have to understand. And citrus essential oil, which is like lemon, orange peel oil, these are highly volatile. They won't do anything. They're gonna irritate your private parts. You're gonna get yeast infection. Even we can get chemical burns from these treatments. And I don't understand why people make this kind of videos without proper knowledge. This is misinformation. If she would have researched a bit, went through medical journals or any like interviews of doctors or anything, she would have known. You shouldn't do this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you one DIY recipe she shared. She made this cream, private parts lightening cream or something like that. What she did, she boiled coconut oil, then she put cloves in that and she boiled this together. Then she took the oil. I'm sweating even by saying this. Then she mixed lemon in that, and I think turmeric and aloe vera, something like that. And this is just so bad, you know, everything, even clove, it can irritate our private parts because this is very strong. And lemon essential oil, like really, she is using aloe vera or cucumber gel, which is okay, but she has to mention this aloe vera or cucumber gel, it has to be fragrance free, because if you use a product with fragrance in your private parts, it's going to irritate your skin over there because it is extremely delicate and sensitive. And I really think we shouldn't listen to any beauty gurus when it comes to our private parts, because this area is very sensitive. We can damage it, we can burn it. Slight misinformation, you know, because I'm telling you about one brand. There is this big brand, Goop. They used to make this yoni egg, this made by those crystals, I think. They suggested their customers to put that egg inside their vagina, and what happened? People, they fell sick. So there was this huge lawsuit against this company and they lost. So they stopped making this yoni egg. Then this Goop used to make products that can steam your vagina. It really burned people. So they had to stop making that, I think. Please don't try any DIY over there. I have seen people doing this vaginal tightening treatment. They're putting garlic, cloves inside their vagina. What the hell is that? Seriously, I have researched about it. I mean, people do it to get rid of this yeast infection. It cannot tighten your vagina for, seriously, it cannot. Some people do it to get rid of this yeast infection, but it doesn't work. I'm going to leave the article down below. And there is this channel, she is teaching us how to make a serum to brighten up private parts. I think she should brighten up hair, down here. She really needs that. She is mashing tomato and cucumber to make this serum, and you know, she's keeping it for 5 to 7 days without any preservatives. So it's gonna get rotten because tomato, it is very delicate. She added this aloe vera gel, turmeric, I get everything, but DIY creams, serums, they are not good because people think preservatives, they are bad. They are not, because we need safe preservatives to make sure the product is not getting rotten. Products which have bacteria growing in them, it's not going to be a good thing for our skin. Common sense. And you're basically telling us to put this vicious thing on our private parts. I mean, this is insane. It is insane. You should be ashamed. I don't know if you're doing it deliberately and for views and money, because if you put little research, you know this is not good. This is not good at all. You cannot put essential oils, rotten ingredients, perfume, then what, lemon down there, because it's gonna burn your skin. It's gonna make the skin irritated. You're gonna suffer consequences. How the hell it is going on? This is dangerous. I think this is Indian version of 5 minutes crafts. I really think this Indian beauty YouTube channels, these are more dangerous than 5 minutes crafts, because they are just playing with people's health with this misinformation, because misinformation can be dangerous, and this is, it's giving me anxiety, seriously. Please don't do it, anything. Don't look for vagina hack, private parts lightening hack. What's up with you guys? I mean, not everyone, people who look for these hacks, why you need to lighten up your private parts? For what? I don't get it. Our racial, like what? This racial propaganda, the denial for our own true self-image, is it that strong that we have to now change the color of our private parts? What the hell is that? Please don't stop. If you need to work on something, then you need to work on your self-confidence. That's it. You don't need to work on your vagina to make it tighter or lighter. This is insane. I'm sorry, it might be very off-putting the way I'm talking, because I'm really angry, because I really can see people can get harmed. They can harm. I'm just very emotional, because I feel that, you know, people, they're really putting their health at risk for nothing. Just nothing. So please don't do any kind of this hacks. Please, if you have any concerns about your private parts, go to doctor. Please, not to any beauty YouTubers, even not to me, because I know I'm not qualified to do it, and this area is very sensitive. It can, if you do anything wrong, it can be really harmful, and please understand that this is not worth it. This is not worth it. So that's all for now. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching it. And please don't do this kind of hacks ever again. Please don't put your health at risk. And this is not to bash anyone. I don't want to bash these channels, because they have worked a lot to gain this kind of popularity. I know it takes hard work, but you cannot spread misinformation just to grow. You cannot play with people's health just to get money and popularity. It is insane, and you should know your line. So yeah, that's all for now. See you really soon. Bye bye. Stay safe.